my god, guys. There are so many freaking birds. Look at them all. Guys, there's no intro for this video. There's no exit. This is just epic. Oh my god. Look at that. You might not be able to see them very well because they're in trees, but there are hundreds of them. There's like hundreds of thousands of blackbirds. Not exactly sure what kind. I just know that they're here. It's just a line. That wasn't even like a majority of them. Oh, they're all leaving. I really like it there. This is great. Imagine no houses near. Got a shotgun in my hand. Millions of birds. Oh, they're over there now. They're all over there. Oh my god. It's crazy. There's a lot in these people's backyard, but I think they left. There's still a lot over here. Oh my god, you can hear them. Yo, this is great. Quality content. Oh, fuck. Not sure you want a full zoom of the truck. Bird. Try to think 1,000 of that same bird at the same time. At the same time in one area. In one small area. I obviously spooked him, but if you're out in the open, you're gonna see them never run. They're also city birds, so they might be little. I guess a little more tolerant to humans. Oh, they're leaving. Let's look at them. This isn't Photoshop, this is legit happening. I live right there. Right there. By Cisco and Oaklawn. Okay, guys. So the birds are gone and the dogs are freaking out. So bye.